Lower back exercises for men. This is a topic not well covered and many are confused about what to do. As a physiotherapist and a back pain sufferer, I have knowledge in the management of lower back pain and have experienced it myself for many years. The lower back exercises given to men need to focus on improving joint movement and flexibility, but always must include core stability exercises. Core strength exercises for men must focus on the stabilization of the spinal joints. Men are usually more stable in the spine than women due to the shape and alignment of their lower back. Men tend to be naturally stiffer than women. This is often mistaken for stability by gym instructors, and therefore the focus on core strengthening exercises for men is overlooked. Stiffness is not stability. Men tend not to be as sway-backed as women are, they are flatter through the lower back and the pelvis is narrower as well. All of these points and the assumption for natural stability often lead to a lack of emphasis on training the core stability muscles in men. In real-life, core strength and lower back exercises for men needs to be assessed on an individual basis. However, there are some basic generic exercises men need to do to achieve a better stable, flexible lower back. Flexibility is achieved with stretching the muscles and the joint capsule of the area exercised. The spinal lower back joints respond well to lumbar rotation as an exercise on the floor. This is a very effective exercise for both men and women to do to gain mobility in the lower back. Back bending in lying and in standing is another good mobility exercise and easily done. Stretching the hamstrings is one of the most important lower back exercises for men. The hamstrings control the tilt of the pelvis. If they are tight, the pelvis will tilt backwards and cause pain and stiffness. Pain is an inhibitor of core stability function. Hence, pain will decrease core strength over time. This is not known or understood by gym trainers or personal fitness coaches. It is known by physiotherapists. Men tend to have tighter hamstrings than women, therefore an emphasis on stretching the hamstrings for a man is needed. Core strength exercises for men are the same as for women, however men can push further into loading the abdominals because men require greater core strength for lifting heavier objects. Testing the core strength is simple and the same for both genders. Testing core strength. Lay on your back on the floor with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Put your hands on your hips bones and slowly lift one leg, only, off the floor. Your hip bone and your pelvis should not move at all. If it does, then your core strength is lacking and needs training. Training the core needs to be taught properly by a physiotherapist. Once a person has knowledge in the function and use of the core stability muscle, they can exercise in any way to the max. I train deep core stability muscles from nothing to full strength using the concept of pure Pilates. For men, the emphasis is on stability to gain strength in the long rectus muscle. This will give a man a good, strong, stable lower back, and in conjunction with appropriate stretching, a good pain-free, flexible lower back. For more information, visit the link below, http://bit.ly/hypex2019.